Ever wonder why, despite your best efforts, some errors still slip through your proofreading? It's a common issue that many face, but today we'll explore a solution that could make your proofreading much more efficient. We're talking about a software that not only checks for errors, but also makes the whole process of proofreading a breeze. The first step is to run the proofreader. Choose your preferred Notepad program in the Encrypt 4 area. It could be Notepad+, Pixcel Notepad, or any other notepad you're using, and then click the Go button. Once the software interface opens, you'll see a Select Image Folder button. Click on it and select the folder containing all the images provided by your company. Remember, it's essential not to select any zip folders. Only select the yellow-colored folders that contain images. After this, a Text Folder button will appear. Click this and select the folder that houses the converted company Notepad format files, such as .rt or .ts files. With the Load button, select the image you want to check for errors. As soon as you select the image, its associated company Notepad file will automatically load into the software. This is why it's crucial for the image and text file names to be the same. Once the files are loaded, click the Start Proofreading button. You will see the image and text lines appear one under each other. Then, click the Spell Check button. Read the line, find errors, and then click Go Ahead to change to the next line. After correcting the errors, remember to click the Save Changes button. To close the error checking of the current page, click Close Session. For checking errors in another image, select it from the Image Name button and repeat the process. The software also offers various customization options like font change, font size change, font color change, text color change, text background color change, and options to make text bold and italic. There's even an Adjust Height and Width button for images and text, and a Toggle Keyboard button for virtual extra keyboard characters. In summary, using this software not only simplifies your proofreading process, but also enhances your productivity. It allows you to focus more on the content rather than the errors, ensuring a much cleaner and accurate document. So why not give it a try and experience the difference? Remember, the key to effective proofreading lies not just in meticulousness, but also in using the right tools.